लिंक्डइन में एक ट्रेंडिंग पोस्ट चल रहा है। मिस्टर शांतनु देश पांडे, फाउंडर ऑफ बॉम्बे शेविंग कंपनी, ने कल एक स्टेटमेंट दिया कि भैया यंगस्टर्स, इफ़ यू आर एट द एज ऑफ 22 एंड गेटिंग इनटू अ जॉब, you must for the next 4-5 years work 18 hours a day and capitalize on that opportunity to make it big. And of course, naturally there was a flurry of reactions to this post where people said, boss, what is this is outlandish. We are going to work for 18 hours a day, travel 2 hours a day, then when are we going to sleep, when are we going to have our personal time? And so there are two ways. Of course, I can think of it, he, as he said in a later clarification on an interview, that what he meant was not literally work 18 hours a day, but rather saying that okay, these first 4-5 years of your career are the most important part of your career and give it your best shots, because India is poised to grow at a massive rate. So maybe his statement is taken out of context. So what he meant was that grow at this pace so that you are going to enjoy the perks for the rest of your life, of course. But then vast majority of Indians, 4 out of every 10 Indians, as per a survey conducted by McKinsey, feel that they are feeling burnt out on the job front because of the toxic work front. Most of the Indians who are in job feel underpaid and overworked. And end of the day, who are they working for? Who are they making richer? It is the employer. So for example, if you are working for TCS, it is TCS which is clocking those thousands of crores of annual profits. Your salary is only increasing at 8%, 10%, 12%, except let's say for the senior management, which might take home a larger chunk of the thing. So what I'm trying to tell you is that, is it really worth spending 18 hours a day if you were to literally interpret that statement? Of course not. And why I am saying is that we have all been made to believe that this hustle culture is going to take us places. But where is it going to take us places? Today, post-COVID especially, people have become so vulnerable to things like heart attack. You are finding that people are going to the gym and suddenly on the treadmill they're having a heart attack and they are out and over. In such a scenario, why do you want to take so much stress? What are you really imagining that you are going to get after this hustle culture, that you are going to work so much? Will you ever get back your 20s? Will you ever get back that chance to spend some time with yourself, with your family, with your friends, relatives? This is that one part of your life where you should also spend on the other dimensions, because like career is like a rubber ball. If even if you fall, it can bounce back. But health, family, relationships, these are like balls made up of glass. If you make them fall and they shatter forever, right? And maybe this is that entire intensity of competition in India, where you're going to focus so much on hard work, hours and hours. In fact, in India, bosses do measure your productivity by the hours that you spent. Especially if you work in, let's say, accounts, finance kind of department, people measure you, oh, you're leaving at 6:30, don't you have any work? This is the reality of India. And if you leave at 8, 9, 10, the later you leave, the more you are celebrated in the organization, even if you have been goofing around the whole day. The focus is not on productivity but on the exit time for you. And who is benefiting from this? It is the businessman. And this is the precise reason why a large number of Indians are probably shifting to US, Europe, Canada, because there is a respect for an individual's life over and above him or her being a salary slave or an entrepreneur. So there's more to life than just work. Think of the health impact. Think of whether you're going to get back your 20s, and think of whether that growth is really worth it. That's my limited submission on this particular post. Thank you.